So, in our previous video discussing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, I mentioned that if you're in the market for something even more advanced, you might want to wait. I gave you two options to watch out for, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and the Insta360 Luna. While that latter option is now officially in its promo phase, Insta360 has now started posting about it on their social media, and they're clearly positioning it as a serious new player in the pocket gimbal camera space. They're inviting people to get an exclusive sneak peek at their upcoming products at NAB, happening April 19th to 22nd in Las Vegas, which basically confirms Luna is going to be shown publicly there before a full release. Now, these teasers don't reveal everything, but they do make one thing very clear. This is not your typical single camera pocket device. The focus here is on more lenses, more flexibility, and a completely different approach compared to what we've seen so far. On top of that, the Luna Ultra name that showed up in recent leaks from Igor Bogdanov is still very much in play. Insta360 hasn't officially confirmed it yet, but nothing so far contradicts it either. It's still not 100% clear whether this Ultra is the same Luna we've been seeing in leaks or a higher end version, but based on those leaked images showing a dual camera setup, likely with around 3 times optical zoom, it really looks like we're dealing with the Ultra variant here, assuming a standard version even exists. From the leaks, it's reportedly packing a 1550 milliamp hour battery, which is larger than the Pocket 3's 1300 milliamp hour and likely similar to what we'll see on the Pocket 4. Battery life shouldn't be a concern here. There are also rumors that this thing is modular, but what that actually means is still unclear. It could be something simple like magnetic accessories similar to DJI, or something much more ambitious. In terms of design, leaks point to a flip-out rotating touchscreen, a thumb joystick, dedicated zoom controls, and a proper record button. So yeah, this is clearly being built as a serious creator tool, not just a casual vlogging camera, and Insta360 isn't stopping there. There are hints of a new wireless mic Air to compete with DJI's audio gear, and even another mysterious device codenamed E-Link in development. Now, one more possibility here. Insta360 might actually be working on 2 versions of Luna, a single camera model to directly compete with the Pocket 4, and a dual camera Ultra version sitting above it. And if that's true, things get even more interesting because rumors of a DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro with a dual camera setup are also floating around. Mauro Tandoi even hinted at a June timeline for that. So yeah, this space is about to get very competitive very fast. Peace.